Okay, so how to redeem Roblox code. In this case, about a $10 car. And here's the code. So you gotta scratch this, and here's the code. So we're gonna go into Safari. We're gonna go in roblox.com. And right here where it says number 1, or where they see that diamond here, press it, and then select redeem Roblox code. And then you're gonna type the code. Okay, so I already entered the code, and what we gotta do now is press redeem. And it says code successfully redeemed. So back to redeem. And then where we're here, now we gotta press where it says get Robux, because that's the coin how they name it. We have 1,000 coins, and then we click buy, and then you purchase was successfully. Do you want to convert to Robux? I have an extra one, so I'm gonna say convert to Robux. Okay, so now I have the Robux there. So as you can see, I only have one here, so I'm gonna click there. I wanna be margin section, and as you can tell, it already changed from 1 to 1,002, and that's how you redeem the codes from the card.